I think that a lot of newspapers are spending a lot of time and money on the internet part of their program, but I haven't checked it a lot, but I don't think a lot of them are making money off of that yet.
You have to have journalistic integrity, and at the same time realize that it's a medium too that's a commercial venture. It's not for free. We don't charge for it directly as you'd subscribe to the paper, but it's got to pay for itself. So it's also, it lends itself that you've got to give value to the user. They have to know it's credible, but you have to think ways too of how you're making money with it. Someone's got to pay the bill at the end of the day. We do our best in applications where we'll work with car dealers, and we're able to put their inventories online. We're able to work out additional banner campaigns for them. We're able to work with realtors in similar ways, where we're able to provide them where they can get the whole feed of their inventory of houses or apartments and be able to integrate it within our own classifieds. Things that we can do in recruitment where individuals could post their own job. And also, if you are in the newspaper, we do put it online.
It seems like the internet's kind of stalled as far as a revenue-driven product at this point because of the downfalls with all the .coms and that. But I think there's going to be a huge rebound with that. And it's important to establish yourself as a solid internet news provider.
A television station can just throw up a presence on the web with minimal information, but what we've tried to do is to generate revenue with our website. So again, I'm working closely with sales. We have products on our website like Ask an Expert, where the salespeople commit clients to a year to represent themselves on the web. People can be emailed or contacted through this Ask an Expert. It's a great tool for promoting the news. We've increased traffic to the website incredibly in the last couple of years.